Sir, microphone muted.
Right. Good evening, everybody. And you have logged into our special English class, www.myteachers.lk, our Kumara Janapriya Sir's special web, which has launched throughout the country. And you have got our special tutorial for the month of July. And today we are starting the new tute. I think hands up, those who have got the new tutorial, send me the message. Okay, Rashka, you have got the tutorial, everybody. I think Kumar Janapriya sir, he had, big plan for the last 2 weeks to distribute the tutorials at 4 institute. And I hope you would have. And also, he made arrangements to send the tutorials through courier service. I think you may have received it now.
Verbs past tense, past participle and
No. We are not doing that tutorial. Keep it there with you. Today we are api Kumar sir ki panthi Vishesha tutekata api dan patan gannawa. Beyond the Best Mission 2021, Grade 6, Unit 5. Reading, writing, grammar, vocabulary. Please write your name on the tutorial. Let's start. Role play. Right? Switch off your mics. And just before starting the class, somebody in the class shouted, I heard the sound of, right, a pupil shouting, I want to know his name. Please let me know. In our class, make sure we earn our discipline first. And even in our Kumar Janapriya Sir's class, discipline first. So discipline hariyatama maintain karana panthiyak. ඒ වගේම discipline හරියට තියෙන web එකක් තමයි myteachers.lk. Okay. Aunt Binoli's kitchen. Do you know Yenuko, what is the meaning of kitchen? What is the meaning of kitchen?
Mulutange.
Yes, Ussi Apevade Mulu. Right. Please tell me, what is your mother's favorite area?
The kitchen.
Huh?
The kitchen.
Okay, kitchen. The kitchen, right? Who cooks food in the kitchen? Your mother. Sometimes your father. Rehansa, do you help your father in cooking? Mother in cooking? Do you help? Iru, do you help?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Every time I help her.
Okay. Many times. Let's see. Aunt Minoli's kitchen. Minoli Nandage Mulutenge. Aunt Minoli. We are making a soup for dinner. We are making a soup. What are they going to make, Ahasna? What are they going to make?
They are going to make us for dinner.
Yes, they are going to make a soup. Have you ever eaten soup?
Yes, sir.
Chetana, have you ever eaten soup?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I very
sir.
like.
Okay, Chenuti, have you eaten soup? Right. Oh, Humaya says, oh, wonderful. I love to eat soup. Underline the word or group of words. Eat soup. Underline the group of words හරි පොත් කරන්න શબ્දයක් කියන කාගෙන්ද? Right? Underline the group of words to each soup. අපි soup එකක් බොනවා කියලා කිව්වට ඉංගලන්තේ සුද්ධ භාවිතා කරන්නේ I love to eat soup. මම soup බොන්න ආසයි. එයා කියන්නේ මම soup කන්න ආසයි. I love to eat soup. Cheruti, do you like to eat soup? Dulina, do you like to eat soup?
Yes, I like to eat soup.
Yes. Dulina, tell me 3 things that you add to make soup. Tell me 3 things.
Vegetables.
Vegetables. What kind of
Chicken.
vegetables? What kind of vegetables?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Carrot.
Aditi, what kind of vegetables can we use to make soup?
Pumpkin, potatoes, beans, cabbages,
Beans, yes,
Carrots.
cabbage, leeks, carrots,
Leeks.
right? And also small handful of dal.
leeks,
noodles.
Damsadi,
yes,
what is the most important things to make soup? Soup padana භාවිතා කරන වැදගත්ම දේ මොකක්ද කියනකො?
curry leaves,
No.
water,
Water.
water,
Right. Then mic off කරන්න. ඔන්න ඔබගෙන් ප්‍රශ්න ඇහුවා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි නිහඬ වුණා සඳසේයා. Okay? Oh, wonderful. I love to eat soup. First, let's wash our hands. Before making a soup, Aunt Miloni suggests we have to wash our hands first. All right, Aunt. Sandasaya, read the next few sentences. ඊළඟ වාක්‍ය ටික ඔබ කියවන්න. We need
I can.
we need leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes. What else? Pumpkin, cabbage, dal, and curry leaves. Senara, can you bring me some garlic, curry powder, salt, and pepper?
paper. Enough. Please read. Ahasna, can you read one more time?
We need leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes. What else? Pumpkin, cabbage, dal, and curry leaves. Senara, can you bring me some garlic, curry powder, salt, and pepper?
Okay, Chetana, can you please read what ingredients are used to make soup?
Leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes, pumpkin, cabbage, dal, and curry leaves, garlic, curry powder, salt, and pepper.
Okay, I will read. We need leeks, tomatoes. These are the things to make soup. I would like to give the chance to somebody else to read. Sharanya, can you read one more time? Kasuni, can you read?
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Can I?
Sir, I can.
Actually, I can't hear.
I
can, sir.
Silent, please. If I can't hear, Nadev, can you read?
We are making a soup for dinner. Oh, wonderful.
No. Nadev, I asked you to read. Only we need. Yenumi, can you read? හොඳට අහන් ඉන්න නැත්නම් ඔබට පාඩම මිස් වෙනවා.
Okay, sir. We need leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes, pumpkin, cabbage, dal, curry leaves, garlic, curry powder, salt and pepper.
Cabbage, pumpkin, dal, paripudano, dal, small handful of dal, and also curry leaves. Melanie, what is the meaning of curry leaves?
Karapincha.
Karapincha. I will read down leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes, cabbage, pumpkin, dal, and curry leaves. What else? In addition, we use garlic, sudulu, curry powder. What is curry powder, Aditi? What is curry powder?
Tunapaha.
Tunapaha. Yes, kind of. What do we call condiments? Salt and pepper. Pepper, gamiri, salt, lulu. What else? Where are they? They are in the cupboard. These ingredients are kept in the cupboard. Here they are. Shall I watch the vegetables? Please underline. Shall I watch the vegetables? Please underline. Please underline. Shall I watch? Shall I wash the vegetable? Wash. Yes, please, Himaya. You can peel the potatoes. What is the duty of Himaya? Melanie, what is the duty?
Washing vegetables.
Not. Peel the potato. First, washing vegetables. Not only that.
Peeling the potatoes, onions and carrots.
Yes, Aunt, I will do it. Who will peel the potatoes, onions and carrots? Himaya. Very good. What are you doing, Lakshita?
Excuse
What
me,
is
sir.
Lakshita doing?
Please
Please tell me, Shavin. Shavin, tell me what is Lakshita going to do?
Sir, he is washing a pot.
He is washing a pot. Shavin, underline that sentence. Please underline. He is washing a pot. Present continuous tense.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. New tutorial myteachers.lk. July tutorial monthly supplementary unit 5. Oh, good. Wash a spoon too. Now clean the beans and wash all the vegetables.
Activity kiyada, sir.
Yes.
Activity kiyada.
Tute number 1. Page number 1. I am washing the pot. Oh, good. Wash a spoon too. Now clean the beans and wash all the vegetables. Shall I do it? Shall I do it, please? Yes. Who can cut the vegetables into small pieces? Rashka, please write the word vegetables at this. We will do it. Senara and cut the vegetable into small pieces. We will do it. Aunt Vinoni says, I will dice the tomatoes. She will, cut them into small rings, dice. Dice can name it? Petty word kapadwa mehema, dice. I will dice tomatoes and chop the garlic. Garlic කියන්නේ සුදු ලුණු මෙහෙම කොටලා පලනවට කියන්නේ chop කපනවා chop small pieces like that chop කරනවා ඒ වගේම මේව ඒකට කියන්නේ chop but the best word is grind. This is grind and this is chop, right? Cut into small pieces. Now put the other ingredients and let it boil. Now put the other ingredients and let it boil. Underline the word ingredients. Sandasaya, please underline the word ingredients.
Okay, sir.
Adangu dravya. And let it boil. Then onna wature lipe tiyala elolu dala thammena tippa. Then Rashka, are you ready to eat soup?
Yes, sir.
Right. Who can make soup? Durina, can you make soup?
I can't, sir.
Now I taught. Namma ugennuwane. Wash the vegetable, cut them into pieces, put them in a small pot. Ahasta, can you make soup?
Yes, sir, I can.
Nesani Shakya, can you make soup?
Yes, sir, I can.
Very good, Nesandi. Nesandi, when you make a special soup, give me a call and invite. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have made a special soup. Please come to our house. Right? I will come and eat and eat and eat and eat. Soup vegan quickly. Right. Yenuka, can you make soup?
Yes, sir. Sir, soup එක එවන්න බැරි වුණානේ, sir.
Okay. අපතක උනා නේද? Amane next week Yenuka make some soup and give me a call. Huh? Now the country will be open. I can come. Okay. All right. Now add the vegetables and pour some water into the pot. Underline the word pour. Pour. Walk karanawa. Now Aunt Biloli has finished cooking. Now she's pouring the soup and some water into a pot. Now put the other ingredients and let it boil. It smells good. Oh Imaya, add the pinch of salt. Lunu bindak ekatu karana pinch, small amount. Pinch of salt and pepper and put off the fire. Then lipa nivan. Put off kiyana nivan. Lassana vachaniya. Put off. Ginnak nivana, lipa nivana, put off fire. Please. All right, I will do it. Let's have dinner. What is the dinner, Gagani, that they are going to prepare? They have prepared today. What is the dinner? So, Kasuni, do you prepare soup for dinner? Sometimes.
No, sir.
Aditi, does your mother prepare soup for dinner sometimes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please tell me, Harshi Hiranya. Hiranya, tell me 5 things we need to make soup. Soup padano level pahak padakya.
We need tomatoes, potatoes, leeks, beans, and pumpkin, cabbage, curry leaves,
Okay, okay, okay.
many things.
Aditi, what is the most important thing to make soup?
Water.
Water and salt. Water is the most important. Right. Who are the members?
Powder.
Damsadi, who are the members who joined to make soup? How the soup එක සම්බන්ධ වෙච්ච අය?
Himaya, Lakshita, Senara.
Is that all? එච්චර ප්‍රධාන මෙක්කිනා නම කිව්වේ
Yes,
නැහැ.
Aunt Minali.
Aunt Dilip.
Aunt Minali.
Huh?
Aunt Minali.
Oh, Aunt Vinoli, not Aunt Dilip, but Dilip sir can make soup, right? I also can make soup. Okay, now questions. These are the questions. What is Aunt Vinoli making? List the items they need to make soup. Please write out the items. Items not choose here. Where are the garlics, curry powder and salt and pepper? What does Aunt ask Himaya to do? Himaya කරන්න කියපු වැඩේ මොකක්ද? Who will wash the vegetables? How the ලෝල ටික හොදන්නේ? What is Lakshita doing? Lakshita මොකක්ද කරමින් ඉන්නේ? 1, 2, 3. Please write answers. උත්තර ලියන්න everybody. I will erase the board down. Everybody should try. Melody, if you don't have the tutorial,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
problem? What is the problem?
Sir, mama අද උදේ තමයි payment කරේ.
Why? If you had given me a call, sir, to call කරාන tube එක එවන්න තිබුණා.
Sir, මම හිතුවේ නෑ අද ඒක කරයි කියලා.
Sir කරන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කිව්වේ නෑනේ. ඊයේ සතියේ කිව්වනේ tube එක කරයි කරනවා කියලා. Last week I told you. ඔයාට ෆෝන් එකට එවන්න විදියක් බලමු පුළුවන්ද කියලා මම විශ්වාස කරන්නේ නැහැ. I'll try.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
මම
අර-
අපේ යවන්නද?
යවන්න පුළුවන් නම් යවන්න යාන please send the tutorial.
යන්නකො නම්බර් එක
මේ යුනිවර්සිටි උට් එකද කරන්නේ?
Don't shout. අපි කරන්නේ unit 5 unit 10 පහක් complete.
Excuse
Can
me,
somebody-
sir.
Melanie, what is your number?
077
Yes.
57 66 204.
Can somebody please send the tutorial?
Sir, third. Sir, second question එක sir. Sir, answers ටිකක් මේ ඔක්කොම ලියන්න ඕනේද?
Yes. Space is not enough. ඊට ප්‍රමාණය මදි. යටින් ලියන්න මදි නම් Yenuka, you can write under the my teachers.lk heading. ඒකේ යටින් ලියන්න.
Sir, යටින් ලියන්න තිඩවල.
That is enough. That is enough.
Sir,
Okay.
Sir, Melanie can see the tutorial in
myteachers.lk our web.
In the web. Melanie, in the web you can see the tutorial.
සර් මාව තාම ඒකට ඇඩ් කරගෙන නැහැ.
Why?
සර් මම අදනේ පේමන්ට් කරේ.
After paying the payment, you should have given me a call. If you don't have the tutorial,
සර් මම මෙලනිට එක යවුවා.
right, Melanie, now you can see, right? Jenemy, thank you very much for helping your friends, right?
වෙල්කම් සර්.
Okay, okay. Now, some pupils have finished writing. Today, I will teach you a part of a poem. Part of a poem. Aditi has finished writing.
මේ සතියේ වලට මේ Aunt Minoli's kitchen මේ ඒ ඡේද දෙනවද?
No, this is not given for reading. Okay, question number 1. Nesandi, what is number 1? What is Aunt Minoli making?
She is make a soup.
She is making a soup, not make your. She is making a soup for dinner. Number 2, Damsadi.
Yes,
List
sir.
the items
Leeks.
they need.
Okay, sir. They eat leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes, pumpkin, cabbage, dal curry, curry leaves, garlic, curry powder, salt and pepper.
Okay. Leeks, tomatoes, carrot, beans, potatoes, pumpkin, garbage, not cabbage. Cabbage. Dal and curry.
Sir.
Aditi, number 3. Where are the garlic, curry powder, salt and pepper? Where are they kept?
are in the cupboard.
They are in the cupboard. They are kept in the cupboard. In the cupboard. They are in the cupboard. In the cupboard you can write. In the cupboard.
Excuse me, sir. I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, the first answer, what is Aunt Minoli making? Can we write? She was making soup.
She was making, it's not wrong, but question is, given in present tense to her. Better she is making. Better. Clear? Your answer is not wrong. Better she is making.
Okay, sir.
Number 4. Number 4, please tell me, Harshi, what does Aunt ask Himaya to do?
Peel the potatoes, onions, and carrots.
Very good. To peel the potatoes, onions, and carrots. To peel the potatoes, onions, and carrots. Durina,
ඒකටම can you කියලා දැම්මට කමන්න.
එහෙම ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. can you කියන්නේ ඔබට පුළුවන්දනේ. අපි එහෙම ලියන්නේ නැහැ. එයාට කරන්න කියපු දේ තමයි ලියන්න ඕන. To peel. This is peel කියන්නේ දෙලි ගහනවා. මේ අවශ්‍ය උත්තරේ විතරයි අපි ලියන්න. To peel the potatoes, onions. Durina, who will wash the vegetables?
Senara will wash the vegetables.
Is නැතුව කියන්න. is නැතුව උත්තරේ කියන්න.
Senara will wash the vegetables.
Very good. Senara will wash the vegetables. Durina, if your mother is going to make soup, do you help your mother to wash vegetables?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Does your brother give any help?
Yes, sir. He is
Good,
also
good.
a mother.
Good. We should help our mother, not only, not only the work in the kitchen, but also work in the garden outside. Melanie, do you help your mother in the kitchen?
Yes, sir.
What do you do? What kind of help do you give her?
To clean the kitchen and wash the plates. Little things I will do.
Okay. Yenumi, do you help your mother with cooking?
Yes, sir.
What kind of help do you give her?
To cut vegetables and to wash the pots.
Okay, I will call your mother and ask whether you help or not. Okay. Question number 6.
Sometimes, sir, I will cook too.
Is that so? When you cook, invite me, Right. Question number 6. Pehansa, what is Lakshita doing?
What is Lakshita doing? He is washing
What? What is Lakshita doing? He is washing a pot. He
Lakshita is washing
washing
pot.
He is washed wrong. Grammar varadi you must write. He is washing. He is washing a pot. So this
Lakshita
lesson
is-
teaches you.
Lakshita
Mema
is
පාඩමෙන්
washing
ඔබට
pot also,
උගන්වන්නේ
right?
present continuous tense. Right. Now, wait a while. Now I will select 4 characters. මම චරිත කීපයක් තෝරගන්නවා. Melanie, you are Aunt Miloni. Okay? Ready?
Okay, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Wait. Himaya's character is given to Hiru. Hiru, ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready to.
Okay. You have to do both. Himaya and Sinara kotas dekam over. Right? Wait a while. Himaya and Sinara. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔබට තියෙන්නේ හිමායක කොටසයි හිමාය සෙනාර දෙන්නම කරන එකයි. Okay, සනුලි ඔබට තියෙන්නේ සෙනාරා. Ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Dulina, you are Lakshita.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now Aunt Minoli will start. 1, 2, 3.
We are making a soup for dinner.
Oh, wonderful. I love to eat soup.
First, let's wash our hands.
Already, Aunt.
We need leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes. What else? Pumpkin, cabbage, dal, and curry leaves. Senara, can you bring me some garlic, curry powder, salt, and pepper?
Sanuli does not answer. Chetana කියන්නේ කොටස. Senara කොටස.
Where are they?
They are in the cupboard.
Here they are. Shall I wash the vegetables?
Yes, please. Himaya, can you peel the potatoes, onions, and carrots?
Yes, Aunt. I will do that.
Very good. What are you doing, Lakshita?
I am washing a pot.
Oh, good. Wash a spoon too. Now clean the beans and wash all the vegetables.
Shall I do it?
Yes, please. Who can cut the vegetables into small pieces?
We will do it.
I'll dice the tomatoes and chop the garlic.
Shall I light the fire?
Alright, now add the vegetables and pour some water into the pot. Now put the other ingredients and let it boil.
It smells good.
Oh, Himaya, add a pinch of salt and pepper and put off the fire. Please.
Already.
Already, I will do it.
Right, I will do it.
Let's have dinner. Lakshita, can you please lay the table?
Okay. Very good. Very good. Superb. Superb. Everybody did very well. Melody, Ahasna, and who is Lakshita, Durina, and Chetana. And I will give you 100 marks. Team mate lagunu C and CM labadino. Clap everybody. Now next team. Menna pe ilaga team meka. Aditi, you are Aunt Miloni. Ready?
Okay, sir.
Yenuka, you are Lakshita. Ready? Yenuka, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are Lakshita. Himaya, Yashmi. Yashmi, are you ready?
I can, sir.
I am ready, sir.
Okay, Gagani. Gagani, you are Sinara.
I can,
Gagani,
sir.
ready?
Ready, sir.
Right. Ready na hangin na? I will tell you, mic on karaganni hatra dina vitara. Mic එක හරියටම කියන්න ඕන. වෙලාව ගන්න බෑ, don't take much time. Speak clearly with emotion. මේක ඇත්තටම සුප් හදන විදියට ගගනි. පෙන්නලා කියන්න ඕන, right? අපි මොනවද කරන්නේ? Okay, Aditi, you can start as Aunt Miloli. 1, 2, 3.
We are making a soup for dinner. Love to eat soup. Oh, wonder. Our hands. All right, Aunt. We need leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes. What else? Pumpkin, cabbage, dal, and curry leaves. Senara, can you bring me some garlic, curry powder, salt, and pepper?
What are they? Where are they?
They are in the cupboard.
Here they are. Shall I wash the vegetables?
Yes, please. Himaya, can you peel the potatoes, onions, and carrots? Yes, Aunt, I will do that. Very good. What are you doing, Lakshita?
I am washing pot.
Oh, good. Wash a spoon too. Now clean the beans and wash all the vegetables.
Shall I do it?
Yes, please. Who can cut the vegetables into small pieces? We will do it. I'll dice the tomatoes and chop the garlic.
Shall I light the fire?
All right, now add the vegetables and pour some water into the pot. Now put the other ingredients and let it boil.
It smells good.
Oh, Himaya, add a pinch of salt and pepper and put off the fire, please. All right, I will do it. Let's have dinner. Lakshita, can you please lay the table?
Very good, very good, very good, super. This time, but I will give you 98 marks. Everybody did your part quite
I
well.
can, sir.
Aditi, you did your part very well, na? Very well, very well.
Sir, can I do it?
Sir,
Wait a
I
while.
can.
Wait a while. Lucky. English, when teaching English, sometimes it takes time. හැබැයි ඔබේ හැකියාවක් වර්ධනය කරන්න වෙලාව කොච්චර ගියත් ඒ ඇක්ටිවිටි එක හොඳ නම් මම ඒක කරනවා කීප සැරයක්. So it takes time. මම තවත් එක ටීම් එකක් තෝර ගන්නවා. Nesali, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You are Himaya. You are Himaya. Yenuvi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You are Aunt Miloni. Huh? Right.
Okay, sir.
And wait a while. Nimna, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Nimna, you are Himaya and Sinara part. Next part will be given to Pehansa. Pehansa, you are Sinara. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Lakshita, I would like to give the chance to Shashen. Are you ready? Shashen is not ready. Lakshita ke kodasa api demo. Wait a while. Not. Wait a while. You did.
So I didn't.
Lynette, are you ready for Lakshita's part?
Okay, sir.
Good. Right. Please start Aunt Minoli. 1, 2, 3.
We are making a soup for dinner. Oh, wonderful. I love to eat soup. Let's wash our hands.
All right, Aunt.
We need leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes. What else? Pumpkin, cabbage, dal, curry leaves. Senara, can you bring me some garlic, curry powder, salt and pepper?
Where are they?
They are in the cupboard.
Hey, there. Shall I wash the vegetables?
Yes, please. Himaya, can you peel the potatoes, onions and carrots? Yes, Aunt. I'll do that. Very good. What are you doing, Lakshita? I am washing a pot. Oh, good. Wash a spoon too. Now clean the beans and wash all the vegetables.
Shall I do it?
Yes, please. Who can cut the vegetables into small pieces?
We'll do it.
I'll dice the tomatoes and chop the garlic. Shall I light the fire? All right. Now add the vegetables and pour some water into the pot. Now put the other ingredients and let it boil.
It smells.
Oh, Himaya, add a pinch of salt and pepper and put off the fire, please. All right, I'll do it. Let's have dinner. Lakshita, can you please lay the table?
Okay, very good. Right. So, but all three teams sound superb. I will tell you a piece of advice and a special homework. අද පුළුවන් ද මේක ගෙදර practice වෙන්න with your mother. How to make soup? Mother, let's make soup for dinner. අද රෑට soup එකක් හදන්නයි ප්‍රහන්ස තියෙන්නේ. With your mother, I am very sorry. I cannot give all of you chances. Right? Avastha denne baruna the opportunity, Rashka. I am very sorry, Rashka. You can talk to your mother. Your mother is Aunt Minoli. Okay? You are Senara.
Okay,
Rashka,
sir.
your brother is Lakshita. And you can take one more member to join Pehansa. Right? To make soup. Speak in English at home.
Okay, sir.
Right? And you can invite me also to join. I will join to eat soup. Huh? Not, I don't like to join in the conversation. I will join to eat soup. Right? After making, give me a call, sir. Soup is ready. Please come.
What about the pandemic situation?
Right? I can come, no problem. ඔගොල්ලෝ මතකයිනේ අර රජුගේ කාමරයේ සුරංගනාවි ආපු විදිය. I will come at night, fly and fly. Right? I fly and okay. Turn to page number 2. Please turn to page number 2. Activity number 1. Here are the steps to make a soup. Read and match with the pictures. Everybody please write a square or draw a square. මෙහෙම ලියන්න නැත්නම් අඳින්න කොටුවක් in front of each sentence. හැම වගන්තියක්ම ඉස්සරහින්. You can draw a small square and write numbers, number 1, number 3, and write the relevant number with the picture. Pinture samaga, which matches with the picture. 1, 2, 3. Pehansa, start. Patanga. Today I was planning to give you a song, but you know, the computer machine does not work properly, so I had some trouble. Chuttak pramadunet to start the class. I was trying and trying, and after that I
සර් පින්තූර ටික පැහැදිලි නෑනේ සර්.
not clear. You can see it in the textbook, Shavin.
Sir,
Textbook
the
එකේ බලන්න.
textbook.
Damsadi, what is the page number?
The page number is I doesn't have, but I know that. How to make the soup?
Number is
Please give me
Page
one.
number, yes. Okay.
page number.
Silent, please. Give me 1 minute.
So page number 40.
Yes, sir. Page number 40. I'm finished, sir.
Sir, I have done my work.
I have done my work, sir. I have done my work, sir. I have done my work.
I have done, sir.
Me too.
I have done, sir. I'm sorry.
Me too, sir.
I have done my work, sir. Me too, sir.
Sir, I'm done my work. Sir,
Sir is not. Sir is not.
He's there.
Sir? Sir, your mic is unmuted.
no mute.
Sir
Excuse
is
me.
not there.
Maybe Sir is not here.
Sir is muted. Yes, sir is not there.
Sir is not.
Sir?
Don't shout. Sir is not there. Recording is on.
Okay.
Sir,
Right. I went to drink some water. Right, Melanie, I am very sorry. Right.
It's okay, sir.
No problem, sir.
Right.
It's fine.
Now I am conducting this class, Damsadi, in the downstairs. I live in the upstairs. I went to the upstairs to drink a glass of water, drank it quickly, and came.
It's
Right.
okay, sir. No problem.
No.
First one, please tell me, Shaved, what's the vegetable? What is the number?
2.
Number 2. Very good, very good. Number 2. Next one, Ahasna, cut the vegetable into small pieces.
5. Number 5.
Number 5. Okay. Please tell me, Melanie, put them into a pan and add water.
Number 4.
Number 4. Please tell me, Yashmi, add some pepper, salt, and then cook.
Number 1.
Number
Number 1.
Number 1. Last one, Pasuni. Now let's enjoy the soup.
Number 3. Number 3.
Number 3. Melanie, can you tell me the numbers in order? Apu numbers from top to the bottom.
Okay, sir. 2, 5, 4, 1, 3.
Right. 2, 4, 5, 1, 3. Activity number 2. Tashara, can you read the question to her? Tashara, can you read question activity number 2?
He reads and put them in order.
Here are the steps to make tea. Read and put them in order. I will give you number 1. Mama number 1 කියලක දෙන්නම්. Boil some water. Please write number 1. Boil some water. Please write number 1 here. තේ හදන විදිය තේ. Tashara, do you know how to make tea?
I know, sir, how to make tea. It's easy.
Yes.
I
I will then, Damsadi, I will come to your house. You must go to the kitchen and make. Huh?
Okay, sir. In the free time, I was making the tea for my teddy bears.
Very good. Where is your house?
In Colombo.
I see. I cannot come to Colombo to drink tea. Anyway, right, Melanie, do you know how to make tea?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sandaseya, do you know how to make tea? Sanuli?
Excuse me, sir. How many marks we gave the activity 1?
Activity 1, 5 marks. Nisadi, do you know how to make tea?
what is
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Right. Pehansa, can you make tea?
Yes.
Dagani, can you make tea? Speak in English. Hamom English wali katha karanno. Dagani, can you make tea?
No, I can't.
I see. Te ekak katha daganne warida me දැන් මේ grade 6 girl, you are not a small girl. Huh? You must be able to make tea. Then Harshi, can you make tea?
Yes, sir. I can make food.
Okay, good,
Sir, I
good,
can
good,
make
good.
sandwiches like burgers.
Senara, can you make tea?
Yes, sir, I can.
Right, I will come and drink a cup of tea from your home. Chetana, can you make tea?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, I can.
Chetana, send me a message. Mata message එකක් කියලා දුන්නා, sir, is my garden beautiful? Chetana has sent me 4 photos also. I watch it very carefully. Chetana sir message ka kevu neda reply ka. Did you see?
Sir.
Sir mukad devu reply. What is the reply?
Very beautiful.
Okay, okay. Now let's see first one. Ganushi. Ganushi, boil some water, number 1. What is number 2?
I can say.
Yes. Ganushi, can you tell me number 2? Boil some water, number 1.
Sir, can I
Please
guess?
tell me.
Yes.
Answer start.
Pour the boiled water into teapot.
Pour the boiled water into a teapot. Number 2. Please tell me. Tashana, number 3.
Add tea leaves and keep it for a few seconds.
Good, good. Number 4. Dulina. Yashmi. Number 4.
Now strain it to a jug and add sugar and milk to taste.
No, no, no. Yes. Now strain it into a jug and add sugar and milk to taste. Number 4. Correct, correct.
No, sir, it's wrong.
Strong.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's correct.
Strain it into a cup.
Please try it,
The
sir.
last one
No,
we have to
sir.
taste.
No, sir. The
It is
answer
correct,
is
sir.
fourth statement.
Now
Fourth statement.
rinse
Fourth
into
answer.
a
Fourth
cup.
step.
Yes, it is.
Silent, please. Melanie, is this answer correct or wrong?
Sir, correct.
Sir, I said it's wrong.
No, wait a while.
Wrong,
මේ
sir.
ක්‍රම දෙකටම පුළුවන් නේද තේ හදන්න? Melanie.
ඔව් සර් අපිට ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් ක්ලාස් එකේදීත් මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඇවිල්ලා සර් කිව්වා මේකෙදි ස්ටෙප්ස් දෙකක් තියෙනවා කියලා. එතකොට ඒ
Yes,
දෙකෙන්
there are
එක
two
දෙකක්
steps.
හදා
දෙකම
ගන්න.
හරි. Here number 4. Melanie, what is number 5?
Now strain into a cup.
Sir, I will.
No, sir.
Sir, we were making to another steps now.
Wait. That is also correct. Now the first step is, I will tell you how I make tea. මම තේ හදන විදිය මම කියන්නම්. එහෙම ක්‍රම දෙකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. තේක කප් එකකට දාලා සීනි දාන අයත් ඉන්නවා. තේක හදලා කප් එකකට දාන අයත් ඉන්නවා. දම්සද එහෙමත් වෙනව නේද?
No, sir, I will.
Sir, mama.
අම්ම
සර්
සමහරවල්
සමහර
දෙදෙනා
අය ඉන්නවා
ඔක්කොම
සර්.
Yes, sir.
Wait a while.
My
Silent, please.
father is.
Yes. Sometimes father makes the tea in a big jug and finally straight into a cup. Sometimes you strain tea into a cup, then add sugar and mix. එන්නේ මේ ක්‍රම දෙකටම අපි තේ හදනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
Both correct. ඒ නිසා අපිට මෙහෙම කියන්න බෑ. හැබැයි මම තේ හදන විදිය මම කියන්න. I will tell you how I make tea. Boil some water. Number 1. Pour the boiled water into a teapot. Add tea leaves and keep it for a few seconds. Now, strain it to a jug. Strain into a cup. Strain strain it into a cup. What is the next way? මට තව දවසදී ඔයාගේ සිස්ටම් එක කියන්න බලන්න.
Okay, sir. Boil some water is the first one. Second one is pour the boiled water into the teapot. Third one is add tea leaves and keep it for a few seconds. And the fourth one, now strain it into a cup. And the last one, now strain it to a jug and add sugar and milk to taste.
So there is
Notice
another
one.
statement.
Yes, sir.
There is another statement. තව ගන්තියක් තියෙනවනේ කිව්වා.
Yes, sir, I will miss the one stir well.
What is the number?
Fifth one.
Here number 6 why?
No,
Yes.
sir. I will the stir well. I will write the fifth one. Number 5.
Here 5.
Yes, sir. And the now strain it to a jug and sugar and milk to taste. I dot number 6.
Jug. Jug you can't use. Jug is bigger one no, finally. That is wrong. ඒක නම් වැරදි දුව. නේද? අන්තිමටම ජොබ් එකට දාන්න බෑනේ. That is wrong. That is wrong. අර අනිත් ස්ටෙප් දෙක මාරු වුණාට කමක් නැහැ. You can change it. Please now මම අදිතිට දෙනවා හරියට දැන් ස්ටෙප්ස් ටික විතරක් කියන්න. අදිති, can you tell me the steps?
Boil some water. Pour the boiled water into the teapot. Add tea leaves and keep it for a few seconds. Now strain into a jug and add sugar and milk to taste. Now strain into a cup. Stir well.
Yes. 5, 6 මාරු කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Strain it to a jug, add sugar and milk to taste. Number 5, stir well. හොඳට කලත්තන්න. After that, now strain it into a cup. එහෙමත් පුළුවන්. අදිති සමහරලාට කප් එකට දාලා අපි stir කරනව නේද? Sometimes. Sometimes we stir and after that strain to a cup. Asna, I want your answers also. ඔයාගේ උත්තර ටිකත් මට කියන්න.
Okay, sir. First one is boil some water. Second is pour the boiled water into the teapot. Third, add tea leaves and keep it for a few seconds. Fourth one, now strain it to a jug and add sugar and milk to taste. Fifth one, stir well. Sixth one, now strain it into a cup.
Right, right. අහස්නෑ ක්‍රමයට මම හුඟක් එකඟයි. I agree with your method. කමක් නැහැ. There are different ways right to make tea.
My answer.
විවිධ ක්‍රම තියෙනවා තේ හදන. Do you know who drink tea the best? ලෝකෙ වැඩියම තේ බොනා ඉන්නේ කොහෙද? Do you know?
Sri Lanka. Countries. In China.
Yes, sir, I know.
Country. It's China.
No, sir,
Take a
that
bite.
is the country in Turkey.
Wait,
Sir, I
wait,
know
wait, wait.
about it.
Don't shout. China is the country which consumes the largest amount of tea. ते ප්‍රමාණයක් ගත්තහම වැඩිපුර රටක් වශයෙන් ගත්තම China. But you know which nation මොන ජාතියින්ද drinks tea always? නිතරම තේ බොන ජාතියක් ඉන්න ලෝකෙ. Do you know?
Yes, sir. Sinhalese. Yes, sir, I know about it.
Buddhist. Sinhalese.
Sinhalese.
Turkey people.
British peoples.
Sinhala people.
Sir, I I know,
Wait.
but
Right, silent please. I will tell you.
Indian people. Sir, Japan.
Samayam is Turkish people.
French, Turkish, Sri Lankan, and English. මේගොල්ලෝ තමයි ලෝකෙ වැඩියෙන්ම තේවන ජාති. පිළිවෙල මම දන්නේ French, Turkish, Sri Lankan, English. Sri Lankan drink tea with sugar, chagari, or kind of sugary items. Do you know how do French drink tea? ප්‍රංශය තේ බොන විදිහ දන්න අය කවුද කිය? How do they drink tea? Hey Hamza, how?
Without adding sugar. Without adding sugar.
Adding the tea leaf.
Very good, Tuvina, very good. Without sugar. Without sugar. But instead, a venuwada damsadi, they add something nesadi. Manawada ekathu karana.
Tea leaves. Honey.
No, this one. Nice.
Jaggery,
No. Lime. What?
Lime.
is a lime.
Lime, don't shout.
sir, how can
Lime
they?
කියන්නේ දෙහි. චේතනා තේ බීර තියනවද දෙහි දාලා?
I was drinking. No, sir. Yes, sir. I was drinking.
Wait. ප්‍රශ්කා මං අහන ප්‍රශ්නේ විතරක් උත්තරේ දෙන්න. ප්‍රශ්කා, have you ever drunk tea with lime?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
I drank tea. That lime with lime.
Right. ඕගොල්ලෝ බොන්න සර් නම් බොනවා දවසට තේ දෙකක්. ඒ එකක් බොන්නේ I drink tea with lime. Right? ඕගොල්ලෝ lime චුට්ටක් දාලා බොන්න very taste. උගත් දාන්න
Yes,
එපා.
sir, it's very tasty.
Very tasty.
Excuse me, sir.
All don't shout.
Sir,
Add only small drop of lime or 2 drops, 3 drops. That's enough. Then drink the cup of tea. Then මම ඕගොල්ලෝ තේ එක බීලා පෙන්නන්නම් lime දාලා. Shall I show you?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Sir, මේගොල්ලෝ
With
mic on
recording.
කරනකොට රූප වෙනවා.
Mic off කරන්න. Right. Question number 3. Read this test. Hello, I am Purni. My birthday falls in December. It is on Christmas Day. Last year on my 10th birthday, my father and I went to Nicoli bookshop. It was a Wednesday. He bought me 2 books. They are Muddle and Harry Potter. Please take out your writing books. Prashnanabha mic off kar, take out the writing book, everybody. And write this paragraph. මේ ඡේදය නැවත ලියන්න. උඩින් ලියන්න how to use the capital letters. How to use capital letters. The capital letters damak get what man. How to use capital letters here. Please write this paragraph. මේ ඡේදය ඔබ ලියන්න in your writing book. Meanwhile, මේ අතරතුර I will prepare a cup of tea. මම තේ එකක් හදාගන්න බලන්නම් with lime and drink. Don't shout. කාරුවත් කෑ ගහන්න බෑ. Right. Hey, answer. This is a cup of tea.
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can see. I see.
Can see this is a cup of tea. And then, enemy, do you like to drink tea with lime?
Yes, sir. My father always drink tea with lime.
Okay. Tell him that he is correct. Right. Try to drink tea with lime. That's better.
Sir, I'm drinking
Drink with
tea
honey leaves.
without.
Sir,
Without
I
sugar is
I'm
better.
drinking tea.
Okay. Switch off the mics.
සර් සර්
Ah,
මයින් හදලා ටී වලට කියන ග්‍රීන් ටී කියලා නේද?
right.
Sir,
Sir,
I
hi.
finished writing this passage.
Damsadi, what is that?
I was finished writing this passage, sir.
I have finished, not I was.
Okay, sir.
Use the word I have finished. මම දැක්ක මේ ළඟදී මන්රස් සර් ඔකට ලස්සන කවියක් උගන්වනවා.
Yes, sir.
මන්රස්
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wait. Don't shout. He taught a very nice poem. මම මේ කවිය කියන්න අවස්ථාවක් දෙනවා. ධම්සදී කියන්න අනිත් අය නිශ්ශබ්දව ඉන්න බලන්න.
What, sir?
Can you recite that poem?
Okay, sir.
Start.
I can't. I doesn't read that.
You have to act. Act and say, huh?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Start.
poem එක මොකක්ද? What is
මම වීඩියෝ එකේ දැක්කේ මනුස්ස ලස්සන කවියක් කියලා දුන්නා. Very beautiful rhyme. That is not a poem, that is a rhyme.
what is
Okay, sir. I will do it. Please give me 1 second.
කට්ටිය බලන් ඉන්නකෝ එයා කරන විදිය.
Okay.
Let's see how she acts.
I want to act, sir. I can't act.
Yes, act.
I can't act.
You can act also.
Okay, sir.
Last 10 seconds, Damsadi. I cannot give you much time.
Okay, sir. These are my eye blinkers, ducky ducky do. These are my eye what I learned when I went to school. This is my sniff box, ducky ducky do. This is what I learned when I went to school. This is my chatterbox, ducky ducky do. This is I learned when I went to school. This is my chest protect, ducky ducky do. This is my what I learned when I went to school. This is my breakfast, ducky ducky do. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Very good, well done.
You're welcome, sir.
Right. Today, I am going to teach you a poem. Sir, kaviyak ugannawa. But it does not have a rhyme. Make it have a taliyak ne. You know, I teach different types of poems. Sir, විවිධ වර්ගයේ කවි at times සරින් සරේට උගන්වනවා. You can understand what type of a poem this is. ඔන්න බලන්න මේ කවිය මොකක්ද කියලා. Tongue twitters. Dulina, can you read the first line?
I
Sir,
can, sir. I can, sir. Betty Butter bought some butter.
Ah, Betty bought some butter. Right? වැඩියෙන්ම කියවෙන අකුර මොකද්ද? B නේද?
Yes, sir.
මෙන්න
Yes,
දෙවෙනි
sir.
පේලිය දුලිනටමයි දෙන්නේ. දුලින, you get the opportunity. මොකද එකම කටහඬින් කියන්න ඕන නිසා. Okay, Dulina, read.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Good. Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter. Iru Asna, can you read?
I can read fast, sir. That one.
Betty Potter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Sir, I can
Melanie.
say that fast.
Melanie,
Yes, sir.
can you read?
Yes, sir. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Good. Yenumi, can you read?
I can, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I can.
Betty Butter brought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Good.
I can, sir.
Sanuki,
I am in.
Sir, I can.
Don't
Betty
shout.
Bu-
What you allow them samamen. Senuki. Kasuni.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Okay. Please read Yashmi. Sandaseya.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but they saw it the butter is bitter.
No, wrong. Hey, butter නෙවෙයි butter. Chetana, again. Chetana, can you try?
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said
Wait,
the
wait,
butter
wait.
is bitter.
Betty, again.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Good. Iru Hasna.
Sir, I can.
Betty Potter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Saseni.
Sir, I can.
Can
Sir, I can be answer.
Can I?
Shavini. Aditi, Nishara. Aditi.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Right. Everybody wants some butter. What she said, the butter is bitter. Right. Damsati,
Right.
Right,
Kiwana
yeah.
Poronduna. Damsati, can you read?
Okay, sir. Please. Betty Butter
No, wrong.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Tashara.
Can I?
Yeluka.
Betty
Sir,
Butter
I can.
bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Who can read faster than the teacher? Sir, vada waving parada pulang kiyana.
Betty Butter bought some
Sir, I
butter,
can.
but she said butter is bitter.
Wrong. Don't
Betty
shout.
Butter bought some
Betty
butter,
Butter
but she
bought
said the
some
butter is
butter.
bitter.
Butter bought
She
some
said
butter,
the
but she
butter
said
is
butter is
bitter.
bitter.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter.
ඕගොල්ලෝ අද රැට නිදා ගන්න කලින් ඕක ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්න like a mantra. මොන සර් එකපාරක් කියනවා Sir, කියනවා තප්පර 3කින්. ඕනනම් ගනින්න. Betty body bought some butter, but she said the what is sweeter. Right?
සර් 3:00 මාරයි
Betty
ගියේ.
bought some butter, but she said what is sweeter. Wait.
තරක් කියන්න.
Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter.
Wait. Betty body bought some butter, but she said the what is sweeter.
Betty bought some butter, but she said butter is bitter.
Betty
Good.
bought some butter, but she said butter is
Betty bought some butter, but
Betty
she
bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Enough. Right.
Betty bought some butter.
දැක්කද කවිය? Tongue twisters. Betty, Botty, හෙමින් කිව්වා Betty අහගෙන ඉතුරු පෙළි දෙකක් ධම්සදී. ධම්සදී, do you know? කාට හරි කියන්න පුළුවන්ද යශ්මි the next two lines ඊළඟ පෙළි දෙක?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Melanie.
If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter.
Aditi, ඊළඟ පෙළි දෙක, do you know the next two lines? හංගින්න ඕගොල්ලෝ ඒක පුළුවන් නම් group එකට දාලා මම පෙළි හතරම කියනවා. Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter. If I put some butter in the batter, it would make the batter bitter. දුලින හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් නේද පෙළි හතර?
Okay,
නැසදී?
Yes, sir.
නැසදී ආසයි නේද කරන්නේ?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Wait. Betty bought some butter. චේතනා තොල් දෙක හොඳට practice වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter. If I put some butter in the batter, it would make the batter bitter. Right. So she bought a bit of bitter butter. ඉතුරු ටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ කසුරු කියන poem එක board එකේ ලියන්නලු. මම ලියන්නේ දැන් I am not going to write the poem. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ change එකක් වශයෙන් to make a change. පුළුවන් අය group එකට දාන්න.
Sir, අපිට group එකට දාන්න බෑ. ඒක admins ලට විතරයි chat කරන්න
All
පුළුවන්.
right, no problem. Send the poem to the teacher. I will mark it and then I will put it into the group. Right. Wait a while to drink a cup of tea. Now dictation. 1, 2, 3.
සර් මම සර්ගේ WhatsApp number එකට ඒක එව්වා.
Okay, I'll check. Dictation time. Parents, please come and be seated beside your children. Yenuka, invite your mother. Nisandi, invite mother, father.
Amma.
Don't shout.
Sir,
Yes.
my mother is not at home. My father also too.
Yes. What are your parents? Last week also your parents were away. Your parents are always away.
She is at office.
Office?
Yes, sir.
Where is the office?
My mother works at ICRC. My father works at CEB.
Okay, no problem. Yes. Sarada, did you invite your mother?
Yes, sir.
I can see your mother. අම්මට පුටුවක් දෙන්න සාරදා එහෙම නේද හොඳ? Ask your mother to come and sit with you.
Okay, sir.
Yenumi, invite your mother Senara to be seated
He is
with
with
you.
me, sir.
Always with you. Good. Lynette, invite. Chenuli, did you invite your mother? Rashka, Dulina, invite your father today. Okay, Harshi, ready? Ang balanama video ke make balanai miss sunat. Okay, Tashara, father is with you.
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Ready, good, good, good. Tashara, we came to your area yesterday, Talgampal area. Yesterday I came. Right. Kasuni, mother is with you. Chetana, ready. Mother is with you.
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, Shaven, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Right. Lindini, Lindini ke but avasthavat dakitna dinna beruna. I am sorry. Gagani, mother is with you. Right?
Yes,
Okay. Good, good. Always your father is with you. Good today. Mother is with you. Right? Aditi, I think mother with you.
Yes, sir, she's here.
Okay. Upeksha, who is with you? Okay. Sanuli,
My mother.
Upeksha, good. Upeksha, අපට සතියේ ප්‍රශ්න කීපයක් අහන්න ready වෙලා ඉන්න. මට ඕගොල්ලෝ message එවන්න නැති නිසා අවස්ථාව දෙන්න බෑ. අනිත් ළමයින්ගේ message එවන්න ඕනේ කරුණු ගමන් සනුලි. wait a while. සනුලි සඳසේයා ඔක්කොමයි message එවන්න ඕනේ කරුණු ගමන්. ඔගොල්ලෝ එවන්නේ. චතුමි එව්වේ නෑ. ජෙනුලි සමීර කියලා තියෙන නදේව් රෙහන්සා ලක්මි ෂෙහාන්
So I am doing my father with me.
good, 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 good. Now we are going to start.
Sir,
Right. Number one. Discuss. Discuss කියලා තමයි කයන්ද්‍ර වඩා කියව ශබ්ද වෙන විදියක් තියෙනවා. Discuss. But discuss. Number two. සාකච්ඡා කරනවා. Discuss. Discussion. සාකච්ඡා. Beyond. Number two. Beyond. Number three, direct, direct, both correct. Direct, 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 direct. Canon, canon. Shaved, what is the meaning of canon? දෙවන ලෝක කාල ලෝක යුද්ධ කාලේ භාවිතා කළ යුද උපකරණයක් cannon. Dulina, do you know?
කාලතුවක්කුව.
කාලතුවක්කුව. cannon. තේරුමක් තියාගන්න ඉගෙන ගන්න. Preserve. English medium වල අවශ්‍ය වචනයක් preserve. Preserve කියන්නේ ආරක්ෂා කරනවා නරක් වීමට නොදී. නරක් වීමට නොදී ආරක්ෂා කරනවා preserve.
කල් තබා ගන්නවා.
කල් තබා ගන්නවා. හරිම වචනේ. කල් තබා ගන්නවා. preserve. Preservatives කියන්නේ කල් තබා ගැනීමේ රසායනික ද්‍රව්‍ය. Comment.
ද්‍රව්‍ය වලට
Preserve. Comment. Happiness, happiness, belong, belong, Offer. Offer.
Let's offer to another word afterward.
Offer පූජා කරනවා. බාර දෙනවා, ලබා දෙනවා. Offer. System. පද්ධතිය, ක්‍රමය. System. Belong අයිති. Happiness සතුට. Comment වේචනය කරනවා, අදහස් දක්වනවා. Comment. Include අඩංගු කරනවා.
Okay, sir.
ඊළඟ දෙන්නේ මුළු පන්තියටම බැරි වෙන්න වචනයක්. Can you write this word?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Try it.
ලෙඩ රෝගයක නමක් දෙන්නේ. Name of a disease. ලියන්න හැමෝම pneumonia. Pneumonia.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Okay, sir. I wrote it.
Wrote. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First
I will
one.
write it.
Wait. I'm checking the value line. Lindini, what is the first word? Lindini, what is the first word?
Discuss.
Tell me the spellings, doer. Tell me the spellings.
DISCUSS.
Very good. Lindini, I will give you another word. Adavastha Dunedida, number 2. Beyond. Tavat avastha.
BEYOND.
Very good. Shavin, number 3. Direct.
DIRECT.
DIRECT. Good. Yenuka, number 4. Canon.
CANNON.
CA. Double NON. Number 5. Genuinely. Number 5. ERESTRVE. Hashara, number 6. Comment. Hashara, number 6.
MAMMIT.
Commit, comment. Again. Comment.
COMMENT.
ENT. COMMENT. Comment. Last few words. Nadev. Belong.
B doesn't talk happiness.
I am sorry. Happiness.
Yes, sir, happiness.
Comment. Happiness. Nadev, tell me happiness.
HAPPINES.
NESS. Durina, offer.
OFFER.
Sir, belong.
OFFER. Sarada,
Sir, belong.
System.
SYSTEM.
Again, I can do it.
SYSTEM.
SYSTEM.
Sir, we have to talk to belong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Belong. Happiness, I am sorry. Happiness, ළඟට belong. BELONG, belong. Then 7, 8, 9, 10 system. Sandaseya, last one. Include.
INCLUDE.
Include. කාගෙන්වත් බලන්න නැතුව නියුමෝනියා කියන එක මට කියන්න පුළුවන් අය මැසේජ් එකක් එවන්න.
Sir, I can.
Who can tell me pneumonia? දම්සදී උදව් ගත්ත නේද කාගෙන්ද උදව් ගත්ත?
No, sir. No, sir. I doesn't see any book. Those
Okay.
dictation.
Chetana, tell me.
Excuse me, sir.
NEUMONIA.
Again.
PNEUMONIA.
Very good. Howද මේ වචනේ උගන්වන්නේ වාට? Who taught this word, Chetana?
No, sir.
නෑ දැන් නෙවෙයි කලින් ඔයාට ජීවිතේ මේ වචනේ මුලින්ම ස්පෙලිංස් උගන්වන්නේ කවුද කියලා මම. Not now.
My sister, sir.
Huh?
My sister.
Sister, good. Pneumonia. PNEUMONIA. Aditi, are you correct? ඔබ නිවැරදිද? Pneumonia.
No, sir.
Not correct.
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
ඉගෙන ගන්න මං ඉගෙන ගැනීමට තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේක දුන්නේ. I want you to learn this word pneumonia. Name of a disease. ඔබට ඕන වෙනවා science word. Our time is over for today. අපේ අද කාලය අවසන් වෙනවා. මට message එකක් එවන්න අදිති how many marks? Dulina Chinari, Sanuli, Kasuni, Melanie, Shaven.
Sir, I have got 11 out of 12.
Yes, sir, me too. Yes, sir, me too.
Right, okay. Thank you for joining our special English class. My teacher
Sir, I have
structured it.
12 out of 12 marks, sir.
Okay. For you, I give you double salute and score 12-12. And very good. The Maupian Taruat then Nikolahak Gattahid. If they have got 12, give them a star mark special. Star mark. Okay, our time is over. Man නතර කරන්න කලින් ඔබට කියන්නම් ලින්දිනි බෙටි බොටි වාක්‍ය දෙක කියන්න පුළුවන්ද ඔබට? Can you read?
Okay, sir.
Okay, read.
Betty Botty bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter.
Next few lines. ඊළඟ දෙකක් පුළුවන්ද කියන්න මතකින්?
I can't remember, sir.
ඔන්න ඒක තියාගන්න. If I put some butter, if I put some butter in my batter, BATTER batter, it would make the batter bitter. If I put some butter in my batter, if I put some butter in my batter, it would make my batter bitter. It would make the batter bitter. Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter. If I put some butter in the batter, it would make the batter bitter. Melanie, can you read that poem one more time? Right, Adi, she has left. Who can read the poem? Dulina, can you read?
Betty butter bought some butter, but she said
Betty butter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. But the bitter of better butter will but make butter better. So they bought some butter better than the bitter butter, and it made a butter better. So it was a better. Betty butter bought a bit of better butter.
It was better, Betty bought a bit of better butter. Okay, කවියම කිව්වා. Right. මම කවියේ පේරි 4යි කිව්වේ. group එකට දාන්නම් ඉතුරු 4. ඔබට මං කෝ දාන්න අයන මට එවන්න කියලා. Please send me. I will recheck it. Betty bought some tongue twisters. Practice English. Thank you for joining, children. Our time is over for today, and you have logged into myteachers.lk, our Kumar Janapriya Sir special web. Next week we will complete 2 pages or 3 pages. Thank you for joining. Good night, children.
Good night. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night.